So now let's see how we can work around with color phase and color vibrance effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this video clip right here, and in order to apply the color phase and color vibrance effect, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. So once I go around over here, I'm going to go around over here under color grading, and over here you will be able to see the color phase option right here. So let me just go around and click and drag it out right here on the video, and over here you can see the different phases. Like there's red phases right here, and you can go around and add in, let's say, a red phase as you wish right here. You can go around and add in a green phase to it. You can decrease the green or increase the green, and there's the blue phase right here, just like this. You can also see that you can warp it out right here. The overflow is warping out, as you can see right here, and you get this kind of an effect as you go around and then circulate it right here, just like this. And that is the color phase effect right here. Apart from that, if I were to go around here, you can see color vibrance right here, and if I were to drag that around, then you get the vibrance effect right here. So you can go around and increase or decrease out the vibrance, as you can see, just like this, and you can go around and change around the phase of the vibrance as well. So you can go around and preserve the luminance, change around the exposure, as you can see right here, work around with the offset, as you can see right here, just like this as well, and work around with the gamma as well. You can go around and invert out the colors as well and generate out matte over here, just like this as well, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see, and you can go around and work around with the color vibrance effect to get these kind of effect right here. So that is how you can work around with color phase and color vibrance effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.